BBN was a delegate system. It is a register. Now we are member of the base movement now. Automatically, what a decision making body no. It is a 2 hour penny. I'm not a genuine one. So over to be. The question is not whether Ghana can rise. The question is, will we, the youth, rise to make it happen? Can we make it happen? Can we make it happen? Ghana youth, can we the boys. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you so much for gathering here for this special occasion. And as youth, we are happy to be here. And we want to say a very big thank you to Dr. Otibosu and the entire team that has worked tirelessly to put this together for the youth of our republic. Coming onto this stage, the youth across have given me a message. And I put that message into writing. And so I'll read it out to each and everyone to hear what the youth in this country are saying. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, I stand before you not just as a representative of the youth, but as one of you. Someone who understands the dreams we carry, the frustration we face, and the future we are determined to build. Ghana at this juncture stands at a crossroad. We are blessed with talent, energy, and resources, yet too often we find ourselves held back. Not by lack of potential, but by lack of direction, discipline, honesty, and integrity. The question is not whether Ghana can rise. The question is, will we, the youth, rise to make it happen? Can we make it happen? Can we make it happen? Ghana youth, can we make it happen? If we can make it happen, then the time is now to get yourself and your friends and your family registered with the base. Ladies and gentlemen, education must be our foundation, not just certificates, not just degrees, but knowledge that empowers us to solve problems, to innovate, and to lead. We must move from memorization to creativity, from dependency to reliance. The classroom should not be the end of learning. It should be the beginning of purpose. And that is what the base movement stands for. We are moving from memorization. We are moving from what somebody has written down to practicality so that the youth of our nation can have jobs to do. If you go across the 60 regions of Ghana, you will find about 75% to 80% of the youth of Ghana unemployed. And the base movement is coming to industrialize Ghana so that nobody, no youth will be educated and not have a job. Whether you are educated or not, you will also have something doing to feed your family. Corruption is one thing that is killing our nation. The base is anti-corruption. The base is anti-corruption. The base is anti-corruption. Money that is supposed to be used to create jobs. Some few people are seated on it. They are wearing long ties, white long sleeves, and a black suit, and they are squandering the money, embezzling the money. This movement is coming to change the narrative. Without much ado on the stage, ladies and gentlemen, I want to leave you with 3 words. Believe in yourself, believe in the nation Ghana, and believe in the base movement. We are taking Ghana! Thank you. Yawa, the founder, Bekasa. But answer now, Bekasa. First of all, representing the various media houses, probably unofficially but truthfully, our own Mr. Inkum, host of Cinepain. Mr. Inkum. Cinepain. Sankophonium. And then the best. The best. The best. I was here with you. And Tia. Yabada yampani for ase se omadre ho. Na masami akoma mimianom central for wo mujina ha. Currently, I am the president of the base media. Na saya central nia ya no wani onyam awo from insan se Ghana ni bia insan central for ketuesa. Enso ya nipa ya tumaten Aprepia yetini for yetuma. Enti kane tentini mitienti nyane se. Esefe ya yetuma wa apolo. Yesansi yetuma fufro. Ni yesan eyekabo. Na yetuma no ebiwe. First for atenase. Etini aye record. Dani for atenase. Aye record. Just recently, a BSC are hungry. We are setting the same record in Ghana here. And we are doing that with the base movement. It is how we are Ghana here. Sir, I NPP NDC law. Because we have given them enough opportunity. Nobody know and now and you know there will be a lot of intimidations. But younger Ghana movement. Now the base and the Aswano crying. Now you will keep here, say 2028. The base ever than a political party. Now what you need our officials with NDC and NPP, and trust me, we are going to beat them to it. 2029, we are going to have a leader of the base as the president of the Republic of Ghana. So we are central the Kaya. You free now, you can put our numbers. Now we need to try it. You are central for politicians are show. Let us try the best movement. Now I and the and say, Ahana, be was a delicate system. It is a winner register. Now we are member of the base movement now. Automatically, what a decision making body no. It is a 2 hour penny. I'm not a genuine one so over to be. It is way and I Ghana from yet the base. The base! The base! Thank you. Thank you very much.